तो ये जो आरोपी है, यह आरोपी बांग्लादेशी ओरिजिन का है, ऐसा हमारा डाउट है। इसीलिए इस केस में एप्रोप्रिएट सेक्शंस की वाड़ की गई है और उस हिसाब से आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जा रहा है।
किन सेक्शंस को, पासपोर्ट एक्ट में या फिर
पासपोर्ट एक्ट के रेलेवेंट सेक्शंस में रेलेवेंट सेक्शंस इसमें अप्लाई किए गए हैं। उसके डिटेल्स हम प्रेस नोट से आपसे शेयर कर रहे हैं।
तो क्या इसके पहले वहां जा चुका था, जिस तरीके से चढ़ा है और उतरा है?
अभी तक ऐसा कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निष्पन्न नहीं हुआ है। एक्यूज्ड अरेस्ट होने के बाद हमको काफ़ी कम टाइम अभी तक मिला है। ये चीज़ें इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निष्पन्न की जाएगी। So there is a primary evidence to anticipate that this accused is Bangladeshi. He doesn't have a Indian valid document, and there are some seizures which indicate that he is a Bangladeshi national.
Sir, had he got to self this earlier? Was this the first time he had entered or by accident?
As of now, we think that this is his first time entrance at that residence.
मुंबई अलग-अलग नाम से रह रहा था, जो बात सामने आई उसका कारण क्या था सर? अलग-अलग नाम यूज करने की जो बात है उसका कारण क्या था?
इसमें प्राइमा फेसी ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो एक्यूज है ये बांग्लादेशी है और इंडिया में इलीगली एंटर करने के बाद इस एक्यूज ने इसका नाम चेंज किया है। वो एक रीजन हो सकता है।
क्या नाम रख के अभी रह रहा था? और मुंबई में
विजय दास।
मुंबई में कहाँ से रह रहा था सर? कब से रह रहा था
ये एक्यूज? ये एक्यूज पिछले 5-6 महीने पहले मुंबई आया है, ऐसा पता चला है। कुछ दिन ये मुंबई में रहा, बाद में मुंबई की विसिनिटी के कुछ टाउन्स में रहा और 15 दिन पहले फिर मुंबई आया है, ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पता चला है।
क्या काम करता था सर? ये
हाउसकीपिंग एजेंसी में काम करता था।
किसी बार में काम किया, किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट?
हाउसकीपिंग एजेंसी में काम करता था।
बांग्लादेशी असल्याचा आरोपी असल्याचं काही कागदपत्र
दिनांक 16/1/2025 रोजी बांद्रा पोलीस स्टेशनच्या हद्दीमध्ये अभिनेता श्री सैफ अली खान यांच्या घरी ज्या हल्ल्याचा आणि जबरी चोरीचा प्रकार झालेला आहे त्या अनुषंगाने एका आरोपीला अटक करण्यात आलेली आहे। सदर आरोपीचं नाव मोहम्मद शरीफुल इस्लाम शहजाद आहे। या आरोपीचं वय 30 वर्ष आहे। प्रथमदर्शनी हा आरोपी बांग्लादेशी नागरिक असल्याचं निष्पन्न होत आहे। या आरोपीला आम्ही माननीय न्यायालयात प्रोड्यूस करून याची पोलीस कस्टडी मिळण्याचं प्रयत्न करणार आहोत आणि पुढील तपास करणार आहोत।
हा बांगलादेशी नागरिक आहे हे नेमकं कसं कळलं? आणि दुसरीकडे म्हणजे त्याने भारतात आल्यानंतर नाव बदललं, मुंबईत तो गुन्हा दाखल झाला, म्हणजे गुन्हा जे स्वरूप दिलं त्याच्यानंतर तो कुठे कुठे लागला किंवा कुठे कुठे गेला?
हा व्यक्ती अटक याला ज्यावेळेस आम्ही केली त्याच्याकडे जी विचारपूस केली त्या अनुषंगाने त्याची जी उत्तरं आणि त्याच्याकडे जे काही साहित्य मिळालेलं आहे त्या साहित्याच्या अनुषंगाने प्रथमदर्शनी असं वाटतोय की हा एक बांग्लादेशी नागरिक आहे। त्या अनुषंगाने आम्ही पुढील तपास करत आहोत। ते तपासात निष्पन्न होईल। सदर आरोपीला ठाण्यातनं अटक करण्यात आलेली आहे आणि पुढील तपास सुरू आहे।
किसी और अपराध में इसकी संलिप्तता की कोई बात अब तक सामने आई है? कोई और हिस्ट्री या कुछ और?
नो प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड।
इसको गिरफ्तार किया, कोई कोयते जैसा हथियार बरामद किया गया है सर इससे? सर वेपन्स
Was he alone? Is there any mastermind? सर क्या उसने
सैफ अली खान को टारगेट क्यों किया? सैफ अली खान को टारगेट क्यों किया, इसके बारे में जानना चाहिए।
रिक्वेस्ट टू अभी तक
सैफ अली खान को टारगेट क्यों किया, ये जानना चाहिए सर।
हाँ सैफ अली खान के घर को क्यों टारगेट किया सर?
मैं अभी ये अक्यूज जो अरेस्ट हुआ है, इस अक्यूज की प्राइमरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और अभी तक जो फैक्ट सामने आए हैं वो आपको दिए गए हैं। इसके आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो भी अपडेट्स होंगे वो हम आपके साथ में शेयर करेंगे। See, everything, those things are under investigation. We'll let you know. Those things are under investigation. We'll let you know. ये सारी चीजें अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है. We will let you know. Thank you. Thank you.
Right, the Mumbai police, they are saying that this accused had told them that his name was Vijay Das, that he had entered the Saif Ali Khan's house for the first time on 16th of January, and most importantly saying that there is primary evidence that indicates that he is of Bangladeshi origin. My colleague Radhika joins us with more details. Radhika, take us the latest details coming in. The police, of course, are saying that he's perhaps of Bangladeshi origin. There are some documents and items that they've seized that indicates that he's of Bangladeshi origin. Not just that, also more details about how he arrived in Mumbai as well.
That's right. He seems to be of a person of Bangladeshi origin. He's been staying illegally in Mumbai is what the Mumbai police officials have told us. So therefore relevant sections will be added. But most importantly, Mumbai police confirming very confidently that this is the man who entered Saif Ali Khan's building, attacked Saif Ali Khan in a bid to rob that particular house. So therefore robbery is the motive that has been confirmed by the Mumbai police. Also pointing that after that he did move locations, he did change locations, and he'd been living in Mumbai with different names. Vijay Das is the name that he's going by. His actual name is Mohammad Shehzad. This is what the Mumbai police have confirmed. His name is Mohammad Shehzad. He seems to have come from Bangladesh. He did not carry any proper documentation. Therefore, they believe that he could be an illegal immigrant from Bangladesh. He'd been working as a housekeeping staff in a few places is another aspect that has been confirmed by the Mumbai police. But his modus operandi, main motive was theft. Again, that is being confirmed, but his modus operandi, how he managed to gain entry into the premises, how he managed to decide on this particular place, because Mumbai police also confirming that this is the first time that he had gone inside that particular building of Saif Ali Khan. So how did he really zero in on this house? So these are things that are yet to be confirmed. The Mumbai police there are tight-lipped about the modus operandi and how he managed to gain access because the accused is still being interrogated. All he confirmed was his name, identity, the fact that he may be a Bangladeshi immigrant, so therefore the valid sections under Passport Act will be invoked, and that this man's motive was robbery slash theft. And that he had gained entry there for the first time in Saif Ali Khan's building. He was not, seen in that building before that. So it was almost 15 days prior to the day of the incident that he had in fact entered Mumbai. Is another aspect that has come from the Mumbai police. In fact, he's been living in Maharashtra, living in Thane for the past several months, and was working in a housekeeping agency. He used the name Vijay Das while staying in Mumbai, but before that he used different names. So yes, these are some of the information that we're getting. One, that his name was being changed by the accused over the last several weeks. Second, that the motive was theft. And third, that he seems to be a Bangladeshi immigrant who is illegally living in Mumbai.
Right, Radhika. In fact, the police also said that on January 16th, when the incident took place, was the first time that the accused had actually entered the home of Saif Ali Khan, perhaps, but there were no details in terms of if they had recce'd the area, if he had visited the area before as well.
I mean, if he has visited the area or not, that is a matter of investigation. But certainly Mumbai police confirming that it was the first time that he entered the building of Saif Ali Khan's, which means he had not worked there in the past, because there were, some information that we're gaining by way of police sources that there is a possibility that the perpetrator could have worked in Saif Ali Khan's building, in the past as a staffer, or as a carpenter. But looks like this man gained entry for the first time on the day of the attack. So yes, so he hadn't visited Saif Ali Khan's building before that, but did he conduct any sort of recce before that? Not really sure. That will be clear once the interrogations get over. But the other aspect which is very important is that he is an illegal Bangladeshi immigrant. He's been living illegally in India. He's a Bangladeshi immigrant who's been staying in Mumbai for the last several weeks without any valid documentation.
Right.